We're going to work with the dentist summary. Go ahead and open that one. Open and enable the editing. So on the first sheet we have a fee revenue summary, and it's for a dental office that has 3 dentists. And if you were to click the worksheets at the bottom, the first dentist, Carson, and they all have working with the quarterly, first 3 months, January, February, March, and all of the what they'll do in their offices, their expenses. And Benjamin, same thing, same categories, and Jeffrey. So what we want to do is take each item for each month from each dentist and put it in the fee summary. So click in B7 and you'll do your auto sum. What you'll do at the bottom is click the worksheet Carson, hold Shift, click Jeffrey, and then click that very first general examination in B3 and then press enter. And there you have it. You have the general examination from Carson for January, Benjamin, and Jeffrey added together and put right in here in the fee summary report. And then you just fill handle across, let go, and fill handle down. And then for your auto sum, it adds to the left, check, drag it across. Then you can add auto sum above, and then enter, and across, and there you have it. So with one formula, and if you look up in the formula bar, it's equal sum, and in parentheses, Carson, worksheet, through, Jeffrey, exclamation, which means taken from each B3 cell of the 3 worksheets. And you're done. Save and submit. Thank you.